Blockchain versions. A. Blockchain version 1.0, the first implementation of distributed ledger technology to create money by solving computer puzzles, was introduced by Hal Finney in the year 2005. B. Blockchain 2.0, smart contracts. These are free computer programs existing in a blockchain. They are executed automatically to check facilitation, verification, or enforcement conditions. At the end of the day, blockchain allowed the securing of automated programs, making them impossible to tamper. Developers are now able to build and deploy their applications, Dapps, on the blockchain. A good example of the application of smart contracts is on the Ethereum blockchain. C. Blockchain 3.0, Dapps. They are decentralized applications based on blockchain. They use decentralized storage and communication. The front-end code for a Dapp is hosted on decentralized storage, while the user interface is coded in any language that can make a call to its backend, just like in the case of a traditional app.